Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jam. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you a easy glam makeup look. This makeup look is perfect for wedding or even everyday glam makeup look. It's light enough to use every day and sparkly enough to be glam. So if you want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching. So as always, I've already did my foundation and brows off camera. So now we're going to move on with the base. So for my base, I'll be using Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Natural Ivory. So now I'm going to set my base with Nichido Final Powder in Creamy Glow. So for our first eyeshadow, I'm going to take Details Makeover #1 Day Palette. I'm going to take this shade as my transition shade. Now for my second shade, I'll be picking up the #2 palette of Details Makeover, and then I'm going to take this shade to deepen up my crease. Now I'm going to be deepen up the inner and outer part of the crease in a halo effect. I'll be taking a bit of buff and underon to deepen up that area. Now that I've applied buff, I'm going to take underon. So before I finish off the eyes, I'm just going to take buff again and apply it on the outer half of the lower lash line. Lastly, for the eyeshadow, I'm just going to do a soft cut crease on my lids so that our shimmer color will pop more. So while the foundation is still wet, I'm going to take Relax Khaki and apply it all over the cut crease. To soften up the edges of the cut crease, I'm going to take Suntan from the palette. lashes are almost done. I'm just going to pop on some falsies and I'll be right back. Now that the lashes are on, I'm just going to set my face with Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Milk. So now for contour, I'm using the Bambi Cosmetics Insta Runway Ready Contour Kit. I'm going to be using this shade for bronzer. So for contour, I'll be using this shade right here. I'm using the same contour shades for my nose. So for highlight, I'll be using this palette right here, and I'm going to take this shade. I believe this is Blow It Fuzz Pearl. So for the lips, I'll be using this lipstick right here. It's a soft pink color. So guys, this is my finished look. This is my soft glam makeup look that you can wear on a wedding, a birthday, a meeting, or every day if you like. But if you don't like dark makeup like what I did, you can skip the two shades we used, the last two shades we used, and just slap on the shimmer shade and apply falsies and you're good to go. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment down below on what other makeup looks you want me to create, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you on my next video.